Looking for a cookware set that balances quality, practicality, and price? The CookNHome 10-piece stainless steel cookware set promises just that: reliable performance with sizes that actually fit your everyday cooking needs. Whether you're simmering sauces or frying up a quick meal, this set aims to deliver even heat and easy cleanup without breaking the bank. What stands out about this set is its thoughtful design. Made from mirror-polished 18-10 stainless steel, each piece features an aluminum disc layered in the bottom. This combination ensures quick, even heat distribution while preventing those annoying hot spots that can ruin your meal. The set includes 1 and 2 quart saucepans, a 3-quart casserole pan, a 5-quart stockpot, and a 10-inch frying pan, all with tempered glass lids that let you watch your food without lifting the cover. Plus, the lids have steam vents to avoid boilovers and keep cooking controlled. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the reflective finish inside and out. You can toss these pots and pans in the dishwasher without worrying about discoloration or flavor transfer. The silicone-wrapped handles stay cool and provide a comfortable grip, while the riveted solid handles add durability you can trust. These pans work on almost any stovetop, including induction, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and halogen. Just note, they aren't oven-safe. From personal experience and customer feedback, this set hits a sweet spot. The 1-quart saucepan is perfect for small tasks, like melting butter or warming a single serving, saving you from using oversized pots. The casserole and stockpots are well-sized, not too bulky, not too small. The 10-inch frying pan quickly became the go-to for everyday frying. Many users appreciate the balance of weight. These pans feel sturdy but aren't overly heavy, making cooking more comfortable. While some wish the handles came in colors other than black to match modern kitchens, this is a minor detail compared to the overall value and performance. If you're tired of flimsy pans that don't heat evenly or sets with impractical sizes, the CookNHome stainless steel cookware offers a solid alternative. It's durable, easy to clean, and thoughtfully designed for real kitchen needs. Worth a look if you want dependable cookware without the premium price tag. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience with a set that delivers consistent results every time.